Hi, today we have this hair dryer with a brush. You select the style that you want to do. If you want a volume and bouncy or sleek and smooth, you only want to make sure that your hair is a little bit dry, not very wet, so you can select what you're going to be using. You'll be selecting what the temperature that you want, how fast you want the airflow to go, as well as if you're going to be doing the sleek side or if you want to do it more bouncy. So let's go ahead and begin the work. I've gone ahead and selected the semi-dry hair. I'm going to do a medium heat, and I'm going to go ahead and put the airflow as medium to get that flow going. I'm going to use this side to make it bouncy. I can feel the air, it's nice and warm, not too hot, which is awesome. And I can feel the smoothness of the hair as I'm doing it, that it's not breaking my hair. And as you can see, this is already looking a lot smoother and nice with the waves. Now I just need to do the other side to make it look as evenly well. So this is the final product. Sleek, beautiful, in place. Love it. It looks great and only took me about 15 to 20 minutes.